Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. I need to get this ready to go in a chuck with a few others so I can start doing some hollowing. This is a Barkface Vase. I've already established the centers. The idea is to make sure that the radius swings off the bark, thus pushing the bark back. Likewise for the bottom, slightly over and out to push this back and try to save as much of this as possible. It's always sometimes a bit of a surprise. So we're going to go ahead and get this mounted in a lathe. Yeah! Ouch! Man! Think I've ever done that. Got me right there. Okay. Son. Alright, I think it's time to fiddle. I'm going to raise the tenon up into this area to shorten the length. Cut that off with a bandsaw. We were able to leave a little bit of bark on that. That's nice. But now I'm going to have to remove this from the lathe, cut it with the bandsaw, and put it back in the chuck and recenter. And we'll be ready for the next move, which is hollowing. I'm Jim Ballard. I'll see ya.